Hey all you crafty people. Okay, I wanted to just show you what I was doing really quickly. I've just got a piece of copy paper. I've got some Versamark. And I am just doing the Versamark on this paper because I need some things that I can just cut out. Now, this stamp that I have says birds of a feather, which is one of the verbiage things that's in this particular paper line. So I'm like, oh, I can make myself another piece of paper to actually what I want to do with this I will show you in a little while. But I just wanted to show you what I was doing a little bit. So I've done the very first one I did, which I'll show you in just a minute. Let me go ahead and get this. Got me a rock. Okay, so let me just get this. Now, I didn't really, see now that one, I did those little bits of one while, before I got the camera going. So they dried just a smidge. So I just put a little bit more on those here too. No, I had already done that. That one I didn't do, just didn't do very well. Okay, so there's that. Let me put my black away. And this is Stamp Craft embossing powder. So it's just a, something I think you can get at Michael's or Joann's. So there it is. I'm going to heat up my gun, which is pretty hot because I've been working with this. And I'm just going to I couldn't find my detail black, so that would have done better. Come on. Yeah, some of these. Okay. All right, but I wanted you to be able to see. Now I have the first 3 lines I did with white, and I don't know if you can see it. I'm thinking you can. Then the center I did all with clear. So it came out kind of grayish, but I think you can see that. And then I did the black. And it just says birds of a feather. So now what I want to do, I'm sorry, I have got to find my little vacuum and get all of this up. Glitter's one thing, but this embossing powder sticks to glass. So it's very nice to have this little vacuum cleaner for that. Okay. So now what I want to do is, and I don't think I still have, here we go, here's a green. What I want to do is make this look like colors that I want to use in my book here. So can you see? I found in my scrap drawer a piece of paper that I had that I put ink on for one of my things. And this was paper, it came this way. When you inked it, the white part from where the words were didn't show through. And I thought, I know how to make that. You don't have to go and buy it. You can just make it. So you use your inks and pull together something that you can use. The black is not quite as ooh, I think. And let's get the blue. Here's the blue. I want to get some up in the white so I can also show you that, because this is just supposed to be a little quick excerpt. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, so I do like the white as well as the clear. So that gives you a little bit of idea of what the white is versus what the clear is. So I hope you can see that. I can't from this distance. Oh yeah. Isn't that cool? I just love that. But you can make it yourself, guys. A little bit of Versamark, a little bit of embossing powder, a little bit of time. It didn't take me very much time at all, really. And then just ink it up with the colors you need. And boom, you got another little piece of paper that you can use. Stretching the stash, baby, and working our products. That's what it's all about. See you guys in a little while. Bye. Hey y'all, I just wanted to show you, I've got all my colors that I've been using, and now I'm going to have some fun with this. So you guys will be able to see when I go and do my walkthrough and stuff, you'll be able to see how I use this, okay? But I wanted to show you the finished product. Okay guys, love you much. Bye.